Hi everybody, it's Martyn at Flicking Feathers again today. I'm tying another wet fly for you. This is a nice wee Clydesdale pattern. It's the Starling tip. Maybe a bit less well known than some of the others, but well worth putting in your box. As always, I'll put a materials list in the description, along with a link to the Patreon page and the PayPal for anybody who would like to support the channel and get access to the members only content, as well as being entered into the monthly giveaways. So I've got my hook and my vise. It's a size 14 all-purpose medium. I'm going to run on some black thread. This is just Uni 8/0. And then I'm going to catch in my tail on the way down. And it's just a few fibres from a black hackle. I'm using hen. In John Reed's book he says 2 or 3, but that's a nonsense. You need about half a dozen really. Right. If you're going to put a tail in, it's going to be seen. Length, shank length off the back, right? So just catch that in and hold it on top and work my way back and touch and turns. Now the thread's already been waxed, so it's nice and grippy. You don't need to worry about it, the tail pulling out or anything. I'll come back to the between the point and the barb. It's a traditional body length. Just trim away the waist of this. What I've missed there. Right. And you can see there, I mean I've put 6 in, but it's still very sparse, you know, but the tail's got to be visible if you're going to put it in. Thread back up, building a nice smooth body. There's no rib in this fly. An alternative dressing is a red silk body. That's also an option that's quite nice, but I like the black one. I reckon they probably take it as a beetle or something, some kind of fallen in terrestrial. Now the wing is where this fly gets its name, the starling tip. These are feathers from the back of a starling with this sort of yellowy tip. If I show you the skin, there's loads of them on there. You need to sort of look through them and find nice ones with a good well marked tip in a sort of wider shape, or a shape that you like really. I like them a wee bit wider. So I'm just going to draw the fibres back and line up the tips so that I've got my wing ready. Right. Now lengthwise I like the wing just, it's a wee bit big actually, so I'm just hold the 2 feathers together. I'm just going to peel back just a couple of fibres more. See how it looks. That looks a bit better. Right, that's nice. A wee bit fiddly these. See how you're sitting. See how they look. That's perfect to me. Just got to take them, hold them nice and low against the shank, pinch and loop. Another one. See how that looks. That looks no bad to me. Happy with that. So we'll just tie these stems off and come back up, making sure everything's nice and tight, and you can just snap them away. Then we're going to finish with a hackle. I'm using a hen hackle. You can use a softish cock if you want, like a Chinese cock. Natural black I like. You could use dyed black if you want it. Or I suppose you could even use a starling, another one of these starling back feathers. David McPhail's got a spider a bit like that. So get my hackle, offer it in. Now I'm not going to bother folding this, I'm just going to take it away. And then I'm just going to wind the hackle, fold it as you go, and I don't want much, right? I want it quite sparse. That is probably plenty. Oops, about there. Come across my thread, 2 wraps, and I'm going to fold everything back here and then tie back over it, just to make a nice wee neat head. Keep your thread tight. See how everything is. I quite like the look of that. There you go. That's it. Ready to whip, finish and varnish. And that's the Starling tip. As I say, a nice wee river fly. I mean, I'm sure it would work in the still water as well. But well worth a place in your box. Quite easy to tie. The hardest bit is just sorting the wing. The wing ties in easy, it's just sorting it before you tie it in. So I hope that was useful. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up below and subscribe to the channel. Take lines, guys. Bye.